Here are very important questions from test point of view on factoring. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are taking up two very important questions from test point of view. You know factoring trinomials, and here are two examples. Question number 1 is, determine values of k for which x squared plus kx plus 9 equals to 0 will have two equal roots, and part B is two distinct roots. So you'll also understand the difference between part A and B. Question number 2 is to solve the equation. What values of k, where k is an integer, will help each quadratic equation to be factored, solved by factoring? X squared plus kx equals to 8 and x squared minus k equals to 3x. You can always pause the video, answer these questions, and then look into my suggestions. Now let's look into the strategy involved in solving such questions. So when we are given a trinomial, which in this case is x squared plus kx plus 9 equals to 0, we need to find the values of k so that it has equal roots or distinct roots. The basic concept is that we are looking for product and sum combinations, correct? So let's begin with the very first one, which says x squared plus kx plus 9 equals to 0. Now the product of two numbers which we are looking into are what? Let the two numbers be p and q. We are looking for their product to be 9 in this case. And the sum of p and q is all possible values of k, correct? So I hope that makes sense. It says determine the values of k for which this equation will have two distinct roots or two equal roots or two distinct roots. So basically, we need to see what two numbers when multiplied can give you 9. Now in case of 9, we know we have two combinations. One combination, of course, is 9 times 1, right? And the other combination is 3 times 3. So I think that helps you to answer the question. Perfect. You can now pause the video and answer. So if you see, if you want two equal roots, that means we are seeing that both numbers to be same, right? So 3 and 3 makes sense, right? So that is for two equal roots. And therefore, I could write this equation as x plus 3 whole square, right? Equals to 0, and then get my solution as x equals to minus 3. Now minus 3 are two equal roots, right? So in that case, what is the value of k? Can you tell me that? Well, you know k is sum of these two roots. So for part A, what we have is that k should be equal to 3 plus 3, which is 6, correct? So you can see that when you expand this also, what do you get? You get x squared plus 2ab, which is 6x, right? Plus 9 equals to 0. And then also you can say k by comparison is 6. So there are many different ways in which you can come to this conclusion, what the value of k is. However, the most efficient is to use product and sum as we did just now, right? Now, let's look into two distinct roots, right? So when I say two distinct roots, clearly the two numbers are different, correct? So we're trying to solve this equation x squared plus kx plus 9 equals to 0, as we just did. We're trying to find the product and sum of two numbers. That should be 9, and the sum should be equal to k. And the two numbers which are different are 9 and 1, correct? So when you add 9 and 1, what do you get? Well, 9 plus 1 gives you 10, and so k is equal to 10. You could also factor here just to verify that if I write this as x plus 9 times x plus 1 equals to 0, my two solutions will be x equals to minus 9 and minus 1, correct? We are not really interested in finding the roots. We are only interested in finding the value of k. This is important, right? And when you expand this, you get what? You get x squared plus x plus 9x plus 9 equals to 0. Or you get x squared plus 10x plus 9 equals to 0. After doing all that, you can verify that the value of k for two different roots, which in this case will be minus 9 and minus 1, should be 10. And so we come to this conclusion, either way, that k is equal to 10 in this particular case. And in the previous case, we found that k is 6. When k is 6, we have exactly the same roots, which are minus 3. Perfect? So I hope the whole concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write a comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.